Welcome back to the channel, where we bring you the latest in automotive excellence. Today we're diving into the all-new Hyundai H350 Luxury van, a vehicle designed to redefine comfort, style, and performance on the road. Starting with the front exterior, the Hyundai H350 boasts a bold, commanding presence. The signature cascading grille is larger and more pronounced, finished in chrome for that premium look. Flanking the grille are sleek LED headlamps with integrated DRLs, giving it a sharp, modern edge. The sculpted bumper design adds a touch of ruggedness, while the aerodynamic hood lines enhance its sophisticated profile. Moving to the rear, Hyundai keeps it clean yet functional. The large vertical LED tail lamps ensure maximum visibility, while the wide-opening rear doors offer practical access for loading and unloading. Subtle chrome accents in the streamlined rear bumper tie in beautifully with the overall design. A rear spoiler adds a sporty touch, and integrated parking sensors with a rear-view camera offer extra convenience and safety. Step inside, and the luxury truly unfolds. The driver-centric cockpit of the H350 is designed for ultimate comfort and control. A high-resolution digital instrument cluster keeps you informed with crisp graphics, while the large touchscreen infotainment system supports Apple CarPlay and Android Auto seamlessly. Now this is where the H350 shines. The living space. Imagine a mobile lounge crafted with luxury in mind. Plush reclining seats with massage functions, ambient LED lighting, and even a mini entertainment setup with a flat-screen TV. Need to catch some Z's? The H350 has you covered with its cleverly designed bedroom area. Depending on the configuration, you can have a convertible sofa bed or a dedicated sleeping space with high-quality mattresses. Under the hood, the Hyundai H350 doesn't just rely on luxury, it delivers power and efficiency too. Equipped with a robust 2.5-liter CRDi diesel engine, it offers impressive torque for smooth acceleration, even when fully loaded. So how much will this luxury on wheels cost? While Hyundai hasn't officially released the pricing yet, industry experts predict the new H350 luxury van will start around $65,000 to $75,000, depending on the configuration and optional features.